Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you on how to delete your YouTube search history. It's important to keep your browsing experience clean and private, so let's get started. Step 1. Open your Chrome browser. Make sure you have Chrome installed on your device. Step 2. Go to youtube.com, simply type youtube.com in the address bar and hit enter. Step 3. Click on History located in the left-hand sidebar. Step 4. In the History section, click on Manage All History. Step 5. On the Manage History page, click on Delete. Step 6. You will see 3 options: Today's History, Custom Range, and All History. Choose the option that suits your needs. If you want to delete today's history, select Today's History. If you want to specify a custom range, select Custom Range. And if you want to delete all your history, select All History. And there you have it. Your YouTube search history is now deleted, ensuring your browsing privacy. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.